See the previous video, I was working on these little hoses, like that blue one got replaced. There were these black braided lines, and this one was coming into this tube right here that goes up underneath here and into another hose. And while I was wiggling it out carefully, the tube broke. It's just 24-year-old plastic. So anyway, then that brought up this whole thing has a lot of hoses in it, and they look okay. They're pretty far from the turbo blowback, which is what deteriorates all the other ones. But I released this electrical connector to get more movement here, and I think I'm going to release these here so that I can inspect this whole thing. But I see this part number on here, and I'm wondering, does this all come as one unit with all those hoses in there? And I'm going to look that up. So this bracket with the J at the end is sold with the two valves that are underneath here. And I don't know if those valves are working properly. So I have to look up those valves. And then there's all these hoses that are not sold with it. And I probably will replace all of those. So I'm going to disconnect right here. See, these two cross each other, which is notable. And then this one comes down into right there, that plastic tube. I'm going to disconnect these so I can move this around more and see underneath of it and get at everything, and take those hoses out and see if they have numbers on them and order all of those hoses. There's some here on this side, and there's some underneath this bracket, and there's the valves. I'm going to research all of that while I'm here, because that's what I do. While I'm there, I do everything, because it's all a part, and otherwise, you're going to have to do it later. I don't want to do that. See these hoses down here? Now that I'm at it down here, maybe they should be done too. That's probably water coolant. I can get silicone hoses. Yep, that looks like it's going to the bottom of the radiator. And this one's the top one. So maybe I should get radiator hoses also while I'm at it and do this whole front end. And this one is AC right there. That one's not changing right now anyway.